I'm going to show you how you can add effects on Instagram notes. Now, to get started, you want to go to your DMs. Now, on your DMs here, you want to obviously put in a note. Now, there is a couple of effects on Instagram notes. Like, for example, if it's New Year's, you can type in Happy New Year's, and there's going to be a couple of confetti effects that's going to appear. But right now, the only effects that I think is available is something like Happy Birthday here, for example. If I want to type in Happy Birthday, and I'm going to add in a cake emoji as well like this. And then if I tap on share, you can see there's a special effect just like that. And when you open it like this, you can see this is what it looks like. And when you leave a new note, again, if I try to leave a new note and I try to happy birthday again, and I type in a cake emoji and I add a couple of confettis as well, if I click on share, they'll trigger the same effect like that. So there's a couple of keywords you need to do, right? So for example, if I just tap in happy birthday like this, and I click on share, it still put in like the effects like that. So of course, it's the keyword that matters. So right now the keywords is obviously happy birthday, just like that. And then that's it. You're done.